What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the BJJ Lender, where we tie the lessons from Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu to the world of business, finance, and beyond. If you don't know me already, it's your boy Sham, a financial consultant, business lender, and a purple belt on the mats. Today, we're diving into a critical topic for business owners and entrepreneurs: business overhead expense insurance, or for short, BOE. And how this type of disability insurance can keep your business afloat if you're ever unable to work. As a business owner, you're the foundation of your operation. But what happens if life throws you a curveball like an unexpected injury or illness? How does your business survive without you? Just like having a strong base in jiu-jitsu, these insurance policies provide stability and ensure that your business doesn't crumble under pressure. Let's unpack this step by step. So what exactly is BOE insurance? Think of it as a safety net for your business. Unlike personal disability insurance, which protects your income, BOE insurance covers your business's fixed operating expenses when you can't work due to injury or illness. Here's what it takes care of: your rent or mortgage payments for your office or storefront, utilities like electricity, internet, water, payroll, excluding your own, of course, insurance premiums, office supplies, and even loan payments. This policy ensures your business can run smoothly, giving you the time to recover without worrying about overdue bills or layoffs. It's important to note BOE does not replace business liability insurance. These are two completely different policies that are essential to business owners. Imagine this scenario. You're a sole proprietor running a fitness studio. You get injured and can't teach classes for a few months. Without BOE insurance, you'd still be on the hook for rent, payroll, and utilities, even if no revenue is coming in. That financial strain could force you to close your doors. BOE insurance prevents that worst-case scenario. It's like having a training partner who's got your back when you're pinned down on the mats. And here's a bonus: BOE premiums are tax deductible, reducing your taxable income. That's a win-win for business owners, if you ask me. Now, let's talk about how BOE pairs perfectly with individual disability insurance. These two policies work together like a well-timed guard pass and sub. An individual disability insurance policy protects your personal income so you can keep up with mortgage payments, groceries, and other household expenses that are fixed operating expenses if you're out of work. A BOE policy keeps your business running by covering its operating costs. With both policies in place, you're protecting your lifestyle and your livelihood. When it comes to disability insurance, you've got two main options. You have short-term and you have long-term. Let's go over the short-term first. Short-term disability covers temporary conditions like recovery from surgery or a minor injury. Payouts typically last up to 6 months. Long-term disability kicks in for extended absences, think chronic illnesses or severe injuries, and can provide income until retirement if needed. For business owners, a mix of both ensures you're covered no matter how long you're out for the count. It's like having offense and defense in your game. Not all BOE policies are created equal, and not all are the same, so tailoring one to your business is key. Here are a couple of things to consider. Your coverage limit. Make sure the policy covers all your fixed expenses. Number 2, your waiting period. This is the time before benefits kick in. Choose one that aligns with your cash flow. A shorter period costs more, but gets you paid out faster. Number 3, policy duration. Most BOE policies cover up to 24 months, which is typically enough to recover or restructure. You can also add riders for extra flexibility, like a residual disability rider for partial payouts if you're working reduced hours during recovery. Now, if you're thinking, does this apply to me? The answer is probably yes, especially if you're a small business owner with fixed overhead costs. Number 2, a professional running a private practice like a doctor or a lawyer. Number 3, an entrepreneur managing a retail or service-based business. In short, if your business can run without you, a BOE insurance is must have. Before you rush to get a policy, here are a few pitfalls to avoid. Number 1, underestimating coverage needs. Calculate your actual monthly expenses, y'all, including payroll and loan payments. These are fixed costs. Number 2, choosing the wrong waiting period. A long waiting period might leave you in a cash crunch. And number 3, overlooking exclusions. Be clear on what your policy doesn't cover, like pre-existing conditions. A little preparation goes a long way in choosing the right coverage. We discussed this already, but let's talk taxes. BOE policy premiums are considered a business expense, which means, yes, they're tax deductible. However, keep in mind that the payouts you receive are taxable income. This structure makes BOE insurance a financially savvy choice, balancing protection with tax efficiency. All right, fam, let's wrap this up. BOE insurance and individual disability insurance are both two sides of the same coin. One keeps your business alive, and the other keeps your personal finances intact. Together, they create a safety net that ensures you can weather any storm, whether it's an injury, illness, or something else. At Fortitude Strategic Solutions, we specialize in creating customized insurance plans for business owners. If you don't have these policies in place, or if it's time to update them, reach out to your boy today. You can find us on our website and socials in the show notes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and never miss an episode. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of the BJJ Lender. Remember, just like in jiu-jitsu, the best defense is a good plan. Until next time, keep your guard up on the mats and in business. It's your boy Sham, logging out. Peace.